Everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for the Week, I want to talk to you about buying stuff, specifically about taking advantages of sales and clearance items. Hardware stores, they usually have an end cap that says clearance items. They got everything with their yellow tag on it there for their clearance items. Some stores, they'll have like the clothing rack there, and they'll have the sign on it saying clearance items. Sometimes they'll put out specific sales. They'll say 10% off, 20% off, 15% off, whatever it is. Check on those items. One of my favorites is going to Sam's Club to the meat section, and where they have meat that has been out there for a day and a half or whatever, they'll slap a discount sticker on it, and it's usually about 10%. Sometimes it's 15% off on the meat. Hey, it still has 4 or 5 days before it's at its best use by date, but they're getting rid of it quick. And so I will grab that super sale stuff at Sam's Club and package it up in my food saver bags and toss it in the freezer. And hey, it's good. Some of it I'll cook up and then put the cooked stuff into a food saver bag and vacuum seal it and put it away. I know there's other people that'll go and especially if it's chicken or something like that, they'll get all the chicken that's on sale and they'll go and can it and pressure can it and cook it in the pressure canner, and then they put it on their shelves. Hey, and it's good for 5 years or more. All right, so check the sale items and the clearance racks and stuff wherever you go shopping at. Now, along with that, sometimes go to the thrift stores, check the prices out there, because sometimes slightly used is a lot cheaper than new on clearance. So don't forget to throw the thrift stores in there when you're checking for stuff on sales. Along with sales and stuff, yard sales, estate sales. Estate sales is a clearance sale, basically. Person has died and they're clearing out all their stuff. You can make a killing, pardon the pun, at some of those. And I picked up a $200 wooden chair for $25 at one. Boom, score. All right. So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, especially if the stuff's on sale. Water, food, medicines, other items, because you want to have them around. Why? Well, this is why.